Good morning, student. So, this is the sixth video of this chapter, The Beggar. So, let's get started. On the first of the month, the waif made his appearance and again earned half a ruble, although he could barely stand on his legs. From that day on he often appeared in the yard, and every time work was found for him. Now he could shovel snow, now put the wood shed in order, now best the dust out of rug and mattress. Every time he received from 20 to 40 kopecks, and once even a pair of old trousers were sent out to him. So here WAIF WAF. So what does this WAF means? WAF means a homeless person, berozgar. And another word is shovel. If you could say SHOVEL, shovel. So shovel means remove snow with a shovel. Explanation: the beggar turned up on the first of the month and got half a ruble, although he was heavily drunk and could not even stand on his feet. He went there for work. Often he would do various jobs like shoveling the snow, set the wood in the shade, beat the rug to remove the dust, and he earned 20 to 40 kopecks for it. Once Sergei gave him a pair of trousers too. Moving on towards the next paragraph. When Sergei moved into another house, he hired him to help in the packing and hauling of the furniture. This time the waif was sober, gloomy, and silent. He hurriedly touched the furniture and walked behind the wagon, hanging his head, not even making a pretense of appearing busy. He only shivered in the cold and became embarrassed when the carters jeered at him for his idleness, his feebleness, and his tattered fancy overcoat. After the moving was over, Sergei sent for him. So hauling means transporting. Here, if you can get this word howling. And pretend means to show something which actually does not exist. And Jared, JEERD. Jared means made fun of him. So explanation of this paragraph. Sergei shifted to another house, and he hired the beggar to help in moving the articles like furniture. Now the man was not under the influence of alcohol. He was sad and remained quiet. He hardly took part in moving the furniture. He simply walked behind the vans with his head hanging low and did not even pretend to be busy. He shivered due to the cold weather, or seemed embarrassed when other works made fun of him for being idle, weak, and laughed at him torn overcoat. When the work was completed, Sergei called the beggar. Well, I am happy that my words have taken effect, he said, handing him a ruble. Here is for your pains. I see you are sober and have no objection to work. What's your name? Sergei. Explanation. Sergei said that he was happy to see the change of the beggar due to his scoldings. He gave him a ruble for his labor and asked him his name, as he had left drinking and was willing to work too. So he said his name is Lashkov. Beggar replied that his name was Lashkov. Well, Lashkov, I can now offer you some other cleaner employment. Can you write? I can. So Sergey wanted to offer him better work and asked if he could write. Laskov replied that yes, he could write too. So moving on to the sixth video. Thank you so much.